Hi, this is Dorothy with Scrapbooking, and I just quickly want to go through this Sawyer scrapbooking workshop. I'm getting back to doing a regular workshop for a little while at least. Let me get this glaring bag out of the way. Okay, so here is Sawyer. Really, really pretty papers, and here are the layouts that we're going to be working with. And I am going to go ahead and do all the cutting off camera, but I just kind of wanted to show you what the pieces, the paper looked like before it was cut, so you could get an idea. Okay, here are the, what do you call this, cardboard? It's not called cardboard, it's called something else, but you know what I mean. It's kind of thick. It's thicker than cardstock and thinner than cardboard. Anyway, they're real pretty, and they kind of look washed like watercolored with all these beautiful colors together, which I really, really like. And we've got, here's our sticker sheet. So we've got our thick stickers. Lots of pretty things. Really pretty colors. And here is the star, the Sawyer paper. How lovely is that? So we've got a lot of lilac going on if you want. And love these colors. And then we've got, looks like little paw prints to me. And the flip side is, it looks like rain or grass. Anyway, beautiful color. The colors are Grape Harbor. So this dark navy is Harbor. Lemonade Mint, Mulberry Peach, Sundance, White Daisy, and Wisteria. And here we go. Oh, this is cute. Okay, here's one side, and then look at these cute little kind of flags on the other side. They look festive, don't they? So cute. Oh my goodness, do we have a lot? Let's see, what do we have here? We have, okay, we've got an exclusive paper. This is an exclusive paper. You can always tell because they're one-sided, so that's real fun. And this is also exclusive paper, so that looks like it's going to be the background of one of the layouts. And then we've got, here's Harbor. It's a really unusual color. So we've got 2 harbors and a whole lot of White Daisy. 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 pieces of White Daisy. Okay, so let me set these aside, and then we've got, these are all of the die cuts. Let me put all these papers over here in one. Oh, sorry. So we've got all these cute little die cuts here. So this is all project 1. Here's project 3, here's project 2, and here's project 2. Oh, lots of circles, lots of half circles. Looks like a scalloped edge. And here's project 3. Whoops, see, they're just falling out. And here's part of project 2. I love this because you punch out the letters and then we're going to put something behind it. So I like that that's a fun kind of title on the one side of the page. So this is Sawyer, and just to give you an idea of what all the big pieces look like before I chop them apart. So I'm going to go cut, and then I'll be back later. Thanks. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and ring the bell so you know when my next video is coming. And please feel free to leave a comment. I'd love it. Thanks. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.